Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and choose the settings. Here we've got the battery, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the battery percentage. So if you want to show battery percentage in status bar, simply tap on the switcher. And from now on, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. To turn it off, simply tap on the switcher again, and here we are left with only the battery icon, but let me turn it on because I think it's quite useful. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.